Today we're at a site built by Mercia Power Response in Nottinghamshire. This site has 9 Cat CG170 engines, providing both constant power to the local commerce pot as well as reserve power to the grid. Mercia Power's role is to support the UK electricity grid with a reliable source of energy when the renewables can't supply it. To fulfil our obligations in our design and construction for the energy markets, we approached Finning and Caterpillar for a suitable size generator that would fit the connections and locations. This product was the CG170, and since we've installed 115 throughout the UK. We're at a commercial site in Nottinghamshire today where Mercia Power Response provided a 4 megawatt power supply unit into a large commercial concern for the security and continuity of the electrical supply, with benefits to the wider commercial estate.
Finning supported Mercia in having access to the Caterpillar control system. This allows us access to the metrics and monitor the performance of the generator. Mercia are always looking to the future for the next alternate fuel solution and are working closely with Finning, academic establishments and utility companies. One of the reasons we chose the Cat CG170 is it has the flexibility to operate on a range of fuels in the changing energy landscape.
When Mercia chose this Cat CG170, we worked alongside Finning, who provided us with the opportunity of bespoke generator packages for our varying site conditions. This, coupled with competitive price, made an easy decision. Cat generators were the first generators we put on the ground when Mercia Power Response was formed. We'd had some really positive experience with Finning in our previous roles with some turnkey solutions. This made Finning our first call when establishing Mercia Power.
When designing new sites, Finning worked closely with Mercia to overcome strict planning and environmental challenges by offering variations to our packages. A good example of this would be varying noise requirements depending on the site's location. Finning continued to support Mercia Power following the installation of a generator by offering a comprehensive repair and maintenance contract covering Mercia 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Quick response time is crucial in Mercia's operations. This allows them to be running at full capacity within a few minutes of receiving a demand signal. Finning have been supplying and maintaining generators for Mercia Power Response for nearly a decade. In this time, Mercia have amassed a fleet of over 100 CG170 generators, providing backup electricity to the national grid.
The wide range of Cat products and design made it easy to integrate with existing infrastructure at our various sites across the UK.
Mercia Power currently have 32 power generation sites in the UK with 284 megawatts of operating capacity, with more sites in the pipeline for the future. We at Mercia would recommend Cat and Finning to supply and maintain generators because they offer flexibility that's unrivaled and invaluable in progressing our projects. Based on a successful working relationship we've had with Finning and Cat, we're looking forward to continuing this partnership into the future.
If you're interested in the Cat generator range, visit our website or contact your local dealer.